Yeah.
So here's a quick question. Oh, sorry, my phone's ringing. Here, and it wouldn't be a recording on my end without it hearing my dogs bark in the background. That's what I have to warn for.
Yeah.
All right. So car, kitchen, bathroom. What do you clean first?
Kitchen.
All right.
It's always,
Car for me. It's the car.
I have to do that.
Uh,
That's maybe this weekend. That's the car and garage. I got to get the leaves out of my garage.
Yeah, that's the one thing that I keep repeating back to is I've cleaned my garage out like 5 times now. I don't think I've cleaned it out 5 times in the last year. So now my garage is absolutely spotless. What's some of the feedback that you're getting as well from dealers in terms of new problems that you've seen as well? We keep hearing new things coming up, but what do you think, again, some of those opportunities for solutions, and even maybe, what have you seen the MPOP do? What have you seen our platform do that you are actually surprised with, like some newfound type of solutions and value?
I guess, it's maybe more apparent to the dealers on what the MPOP is able to do in these situations than it ever was before. And I would say, case in point is the turnaround time, right? So we were able to, FCA and General Motors and Ford came out with their 0% for 84 months, and we had all of their ads updated and new banners on pages, like by the end of that first day, for the most part, so that turnaround, or, what you showed me right before this call, we have a, Ford comes out with extra money for their medical professionals, and boom, we've got a page, and by the end of the day, it's Friday, so by the end of the day, we could have that on all of our Ford stores. So yeah. that turnaround time to me is so valuable in a situation like this.